Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Chromebook. So for this video, I'll be using the JBL Flip 6, but if you have any other Bluetooth speaker, these instructions should work. So the first step is to open the Bluetooth settings on your Chromebook. And to do that, you want to go to the Settings app. And then under Settings, you want to select Bluetooth. And then you should ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. Once Bluetooth is enabled, you then want to click on Pair New Device at the top of the screen, and then it should start searching for any nearby devices. So from here, you then want to switch on your speaker, and then you want to place it in pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode, it should be detected. So you want to select it like that, and then wait for the connection to be established. And once the connection has been established, you should see your Bluetooth speaker underneath the currently connected section. So that's how you can connect your Bluetooth speaker to your Chromebook. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.